Howdy. I want to talk to you about soil stabilization. So what does that mean, soil stabilization? Well, our high plasticity clay soils in Texas have proven to be a real challenge for homeowners. The constant changes due to the reaction of moisture with the clay causes homes to heave and settle. Now this has been a challenge for an awful long time. But we have a solution for foundations that are built on clay soils. You see, we inject a chemical into the soil that changes the soil on the molecular level. And let me tell you, this reduces and even eliminates the soil's reaction to moisture. Yeah. How do we do it? Well, let me tell you. The process is accomplished without any real disturbance to your landscaping. In some areas, we have to drill 3/4 inch holes about every 2 foot in the concrete on the porches, patios, driveways. Here's a double bonus. Our stabilizer is eco-friendly. It won't harm you, your pets, or your plant life. It's completely safe.